pronounce this word. I'm typing it on chat. Okay, read this.
Okay. Far.
I'm sorry, one more time.
Far.
Hello. Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you? So good to see you again.
Yeah, same here. I'm good. How about you?
Very good. Very, very, very good. Wonderful. My day starts with seeing you, Ramkali. So wonderful.
Oh.
How have you been? You doing
I
good?
have been good.
You've been good?
Yeah.
Great. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Did you see today's topic? Very interesting topic today. Did you go through it?
Yeah. It's about social media.
Are you on social media? Are you a person who's into social media?
Obviously, nowadays it is a digital world. Everyone is in social media.
So, what's your favorite? Which one are you in? Facebook, Instagram, Twitter? Which one?
I like YouTube.
YouTube. Okay. YouTube is interesting. That's
Yeah.
really interesting. But how about so you don't really have an account on Facebook or Instagram?
Instagram I have, but I don't use much. I uninstall. I will use for some days, and I will uninstall because I know I can't resist myself to watch reels and also
Yeah. Yes.
I delete. Yeah,
You deleted it.
yeah,
Hmm.
I deleted it, and I have only WhatsApp and Telegram I use. Yeah,
Hmm.
when I was preparing for exam, that time only Telegram I was using. Telegram was the best because we can get everything there, notes and all, and no
Oh.
distraction like WhatsApp and Instagram. But
Oh.
other things are like very distracting.
Oh, good. And what about Facebook? You're not on Facebook either?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I had in my BTech time till I think first 2 years I had. After that
Hmm.
I deleted. Till now I didn't install.
Till now, I haven't installed it back. All
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
I haven't installed it back again. All right. Fine. So tell me something. Are you aware? Did you, if you went through the vocabulary words, there are idioms like to go viral. Have you heard of this before?
Yeah, if sometimes there is any news uh, that is going viral or any particular video of someone who is very poor as who doesn't have anything, but suddenly something happens and that person gone that video gone viral because of that that person's life changed completely.
Yes. So now a better way we can say that is that you would say that there are videos of people who are poor and their lives changes and because of that, because of something that has happened in their life, the video gets so viral. Like there was this girl, I cannot recollect her name. She's from Mumbai only, and I think they found her somewhere and they took her for modeling for Forest Essentials cream. She became a model, a very young girl, 10, 11-year-old girl. She was just sitting, and some American was taking pictures. He saw her, and now she's a model just like that. So that is how, you would say like going viral, but very good. You have explained it beautifully. Good job. All right. And you also are aware of to surf the net.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we keep scrolling the internet. That is surfing.
Scrolling, no. You will say, I keep surfing the net, not
Yeah.
scrolling, surfing. Okay. So say sometimes, when I'm free, I like to surf the net or something like that. So that's how we will use the word surf the net. All right. Great.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And what about this? Like, do you have any friends who you feel are like so addicted to social media? Like when you go to meet them, they are constantly on their phone and looking at reels. Have you had any such situation when you are so excited to meet your friend, you meet your friend and your friend is just watching reels and laughing? Have you been through any situation like that before?
Yeah, obviously. Yeah, I have been through that. And even here also, when we are sitting with friends, everyone will be using their mobile. Like
Mm,
they will not talk to like to each other because
yeah.
everyone is addicted in mobile. So most of the time, people will use Instagram for watching reels.
Yes. Yes.
Mm.
And then, so what do you think? Like, do you feel, these Android, these smartphones, that they have come, they are so all over the place, right? What do you think? Do you think life would be better if it wasn't smartphones? And, like back in my time, we used to have that phone, nothing. You can only make call and receive one message. My father will write, come back home. That's all. So I would not look at my phone at all. I hated it. I just hated it. Only for taking calls and messages. That's all. Nothing at all. There was no social media, no addiction, nothing. So, would you prefer, if today there was a choice, right? So, would you prefer something like that, or you're happy with smartphones?
Not at all. I would not prefer that because now we are getting distracted. That is true, but we are getting to connect with people. Like I am connected with you because of social media only.
True.
Otherwise, uh,
Yeah,
so
yeah, yeah.
and we are getting so many information, so much information. We are getting. We are sitting at home. We don't have to go anywhere. Just we
Mm,
can sit. We will search on
mm,
Google, and we
mm,
will get everything. Everything is written there by algorithm, so we don't have
mm,
to worry about that. And if
mm.
anyone is very far, we can connect with them. We can talk. So it's very nice.
Okay, that's nice, but okay, it has its pros and cons as well. All right, now here you said we are getting so many information. So like you said very nicely, you said, no, 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 I don't want it like, like how you had it. You don't want it to be that way, right? But okay, now when you are putting it forward to me, you can say that now because of smartphones, there is a lot of information that we have at our fingertips. All right. I mean, you're right. We never had anything on our fingertips. We had to go look everywhere, find Google, no Google, nothing, right? So you say that,
Yeah,
what, we have so much information at our fingertips, be it your studies, be it even improving my English. It's all because of this platform,
yeah,
right?
obviously.
Because yeah, we never even had this like a video call. That was a thing of the past, like literally we never had anything
Obviously.
like that, right? So this is okay, good. And okay, I'm going to give you a word. I want you to please pronounce this word. I'm typing it on chat. Okay, read this.
Okay. Far,
I'm sorry, one more time.
far.
You are reading it as per, par. Okay, you are reading it as par. Don't read it as par. Okay, you will read it as far. The sound,
Far.
far, far. Okay, when you read it, because you're changing the sound of F to P, so you're making it par. Okay, so be a little. Now I'm going to give you a lot of F sound words. Wait, I. This is
Every
the way.
day I have to listen this.
You have to practice because that's what will, when I give you like at least 5 words, if I give you right now, you'll make a very
Okay.
conscious effort to not say per. Okay? All right. Okay. Read this one.
Fear.
Please try again.
Fear.
Excellent. Very good. Fear. Okay. Great. Okay. Now, another word for you.
How will I? Fear.
But you're saying it right. Again, you're using the per, no per. Without per, say it.
Fear.
That's right. Fierce. Okay, like I would say, like the lion is like a fierce, like you're fierce and angry, like very strong person. That is fierce. Okay. Okay. Now this
Okay.
word, commonly used word.
Forgot.
Great. Excellent. All right.
Find.
Now what? Excellent. Super. Now what I want you to do is I want you to make a sentence using forgot. Tell me something with the word forgot in it.
Okay. Yesterday morning, I had meeting with my guide, and I forgot that I have session.
You forgot I have?
I have a session. Actually, I had session yesterday also at 10:20. But I forgot. I had meeting. I went and I met my guide. After that, I forgot that I have session. I have to join. Then I got message that after 10 minutes I have a session.
You had a session yesterday. All right. Okay, now. Okay, please read this again. Read this word.
Okay.
Can you see? Once more?
Session.
No, it's not session. Okay, when you say session, like you cannot understand. It's okay. This is how you pronounce it. Like I'm typing like how you break it. All right, now try and read it. I broke the words for you.
Session.
Yes, session. All right, I forgot. Now again, Ramkali, I'll tell you what. Please don't try to use very long sentences. Now, when you had to make a sentence, now you said yesterday. Now, so many things. No, just say that I forgot to attend my session yesterday. Short,
Okay.
sweet, beautiful. Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Session. Okay. Don't say session. All right, great. Now, give me a super sweet short sentence. Try a short sentence with find. I'm okay if it's just 3 words, but just give me a good one. Find, make a sentence with find.
Okay. I find some PDF books who I like.
I find some PDF books.
I found, yeah, really I found.
I found some PDF books. Complete your sentence. I found some PDF books.
What I like? Or which I like?
Or that I like. I found a few PDF books that I like. All right. I found a few books. Now, okay, you used, okay, now find, obviously the past tense would be found. All right. So that's how you're going to say it. Now, if now a simple sentence that I could make it with find would be, I can't find my phone.
Yeah, sometimes it happens.
Yes. All right. Yeah. Okay. Okay, great. Now let's see. Now I am telling you a sentence like today. I am telling you, hey, guess what? I just can't find my phone. Now I'm giving you a situation. Now tomorrow we meet again, and you want to ask me about my phone. How will you ask me? Did you understand the situation?
Yeah. Did you find your phone?
Great. Good. Okay. Very good. Now I'll give you another one. Let's say, I forgot to take a class yesterday. Continue the conversation with me.
I forgot to take a class yesterday.
I am telling you that guess what? I forgot. Just an example, not really. Okay. I'm just telling you example. Okay. So I'm just saying.
I have to continue.
Yeah, I want you to continue my sentence.
Okay.
What is the next sentence that you would possibly, there's no right and wrong. I just want to know how would you continue my sentence. So I'm telling you, hey, guess what? I forgot to take a class yesterday.
So what happened? Why did you forget?
Aha! Now you will not say, so what happened? Why did you forget?
Why did you forget?
Very good. Okay, this is what I'm trying to tell you. Please be mindful of the tense. I forgot. I am telling you because that is a past tense, but you are asking me a question now.
Yeah.
You understood? So you cannot use forgot again. You will use forget.
Yeah.
Got it? Yes. So but your sentence, the question that you asked me was correct. It's perfect. Okay. That was absolutely right. You said, okay, why did you forget to take a class? All right. Now I'm going to continue by saying, Oh, I was busy on my phone. These Instagram reels. I was just browsing. I was surfing through my phone, and I just didn't see time pass by. So I just forgot about my class.
Oh. What was this much interesting in which you were indulged?
Okay, so what was very nice, I'm really liking the way you are speaking. Really good. Okay, so you would say, what was so interesting? Okay, you would say, your sentence in the right direction. You would just say, what was so interesting that you actually forgot a class? You actually forgot to take a class. What was so interesting? All right. So,
Yeah.
you got a little. See, I really appreciate that you tried to use the word indulge. All right. You wanted to use the word indulge, but a better way, for you to use the word indulge could be, why are you so indulged on your phone all the time?
Okay.
Okay, so that's a way. Don't try and use indulge at the end. I used indulged the. Okay, because you are talking to me in the past tense, so you are saying don't be so indulged on your phone. Pay attention to your classes or something like that. All right?
Okay.
Got it. But good job. It
Yeah.
was really, it's nice. It's really so much fun talking to you. I I hope this session today was quite informative for you. And please, one last time before we go, I want you to read the last word that I sent to you on chat. The last word.
Session.
One more time.
Session.
Session. Very good. I want you to please make a note of this somewhere so that you remember, whomever your next speaker is, I want you to use for. Okay.
Okay.
Try that. You know what? I wanted you to make sure that, these are the mistakes that I told you with fur sounds and, like sure, like session. Now you have to make it your personal goal that, okay, hey, you know what? This is what Aarti told me. So I'm going to try to not repeat the same mistake. So your aim should be that, you know what? The next speaker you talk to
Yeah.
shouldn't tell you, hey, your fur sound is, mind, you're like, I already know that. All right. No, you work on it and you'll be good. All right? Okay? I think our call is going to get disconnected anytime
Okay.
now. You have a wonderful day. Super meeting you. Thank you so much. Take
Same
care.
here and same to you. Bye.
Bye. See you. Bye.